Strengthening Faith 45. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over the companions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, may Allah be pleased with them, and what made them the best group ever created after the Holy Prophets, peace be upon them. The fact they physically observed the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, during his lifetime is definitely one factor. But anyone who knows about their life and their righteous deeds understands that their superiority is due to more than just this unique and great deed. One of the main reasons for their superiority is shown in a narration involving the companion Abdullah bin Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, which is found in Sahih Muslim, number 6515. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, was once riding on his conveyance in the desert when he came across a Bedouin. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, greeted the Bedouin, placed his turban on the Bedouin's head, and insisted that the Bedouin ride on his conveyance. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, was told that the greeting he gave the Bedouin was more than enough, as the Bedouin would have been greatly pleased at the fact that the great companion of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, may Allah be pleased with him, greeted him. Yet Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, went much further than this and showed the Bedouin great respect. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, replied that he only did this because the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, once advised that one of the best ways a person can honor their parent is by showing love and respect to their parents' relatives and friends. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, added that the Bedouin's father was a friend of his father, the commander of the faithful, Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him. This incident indicates the superiority of the companions, may Allah be pleased with them. They completely submitted to the teachings of Islam. They not only fulfilled the obligatory duties and avoided all sins, but completely fulfilled all acts which were recommended to them to the highest possible degree. Their submission caused them to put aside their own desires and only act to please Allah, the Exalted. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, could have easily ignored the Bedouin, as none of the actions he done were obligatory, yet, unlike many Muslims who would use this excuse, he completely submitted to the teachings of Islam and acted the way he did. It is the lack of submission to the teachings of Islam which has weakened the faith of Muslims. Some only fulfill the obligatory duties and turn away from other righteous deeds, such as voluntary charity, which contradict their desires by claiming the actions are not obligatory. All Muslims desire to end up with the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and his companions, may Allah be pleased with them, in the hereafter. But how is this possible if they do not follow their path or way? If a Muslim follows a path other than theirs, then how can they end up with them? To end up with them, one must follow their path. But this is only possible if one completely submits to the teachings of Islam like they did, instead of cherry-picking the deeds which suit their desires.